gorgeous. This is Melanie here from Makeup by Melanie B. And today I have already done my foundation and we're going to do my under eye camouflage technique again. But today we're going to use just the new concealers that have come out. These are the stick concealers and I have not tried them yet besides the O2, which was the original one, which is soft orange. So now we have 4 and they range from bisque to light ivory and pure beige. So that's what we're going to use today. I just want to see if these are as effective as the Pata cream that I used the other day. I'm going to start with O2, which is the soft orange. And that's going to kind of rid me of the blue that I have to begin with. I'm just going to let it sit there for a second. And with my finger, I'm going to pat and blend so that the warmth of my finger can help move them. I'm not trying to stretch and pull around my eyes any more than I have to. So that already kind of helped a lot with those under eye bags and circles. So now I'm going to go in with light ivory, which is O3. And I'm going to use the tip of it to put right along that dark line, just like I did the other day in that first video. Now you'll see me tilt my head down because I can really cast some shadows on that and get the best, get the best idea of where those dark shadows are. And then I'm gonna take my finger again and I'm gonna softly just kind of blend it down. I don't want it on this part. If I get that light color on this part, it makes that bag look rounder and we don't want that. So I'm pulling it and just kind of patting it down for brightness and out. And I don't want to just like whack my eye because that actually causes bruising. This is such a fragile area. I just want to gently tap and not pull. I'm not trying to create crepiness and wrinkles and whatever. Okay, so we're already getting somewhere with that. I'm going in with pure beige, and that is going to go up here. And the reason for that is that I want that a little darker so that it doesn't look as, like I said earlier, like as round. And then I'm just going to kind of blend that down. Okay, and now I'm going to give it a little bit of different angles to see. This one I still feel like it's got a lot of dark coloring right there. So let's go in with O1 with bisque. And put a little bit more because this eye, it seems like it's always got more darkness, more blue and purple than this eye. But I want to make sure they look even too. All right. I feel like that worked really well. I don't know if it works as well as the Pata cream, but for some of you who don't need that extra coverage, these are going to be super convenient for you, handy. I mean, like they don't take up a lot of space. You know, you can throw them in your bag and go kind of stuff, touch up through the day. If you have severe, you know, under eye circles and bags like I do, then you might want to still pick up a Pata cream. But for the most part, I feel like that is like really nice coverage. I'm going to go in with the terracotta powder, the O2, because it's my fave now. Every time I try something new, I'm like, oh, that's my fave. And I'm just going to pat it. I think that looks amazing. Okay, dark circles be gone. And they are. I know, I've been stir crazy in quarantine by myself. Y'all are my only outlet right now, honestly. My husband's working like 6 days a week and he's gone all day. It's like, he's probably going, geez, she's getting crazier by the minute. But you guys, honestly, look at the coverage. That is fabulous. So yeah, I feel like that little technique can work with our cream stick concealers as well, almost as well as the Pata cream. but that's fabulous. I'm super happy with that right now. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I will be back with some other looks for you. I'm gonna do a corally peach eye. We're gonna go over the new Miss Sparkle lip glosses, which are fabulous, and do some swatching. So stay tuned for that, and I'll be back. Thank you as always for watching.